honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day, back again with another video for y'all, and today I'm going to be showing y'all my everyday makeup look. And I'm doing this because I don't have typically an everyday makeup look. I do my makeup based on my outfit and where I'm going. But this look is my natural glam look that I'll do when I really don't feel like doing my makeup and I feel like I have to or I want to or whatever. Yeah, so this is my natural glam look. I have to shoot a video today for my couples channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe. It is Mom and Dad. I'll have it linked below in the description. And let's get right into it. He's switching some things up. If you are a returning subscriber, then you know my makeup videos, I usually play music all throughout and I never like talk while I'm doing my makeup. That's only because I'm not one of those people that are like, I'm using a MAC 97 brush, you know what I'm saying? So I usually don't talk during videos because yeah. But today I'm gonna be talking to y'all and just showing you step by step of what I do to get this natural glam look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this video. So first thing I do is wash my face. I wash my face and I put a little bit of coconut oil on my face. My face is really dry. I have dry skin. So I find that putting like a little bit of oil or a little bit of like a serum under your makeup like really helps a lot because I have dry skin. So I put coconut oil on my face, not too much, like it's not really greasy, but enough to like moisturize my face. I've also done my hair. All I put in my hair is water, so yeah. But let's go ahead and get into this video. So first I'm using this Rimmel London Stay Matte, and it's in the color No Set 501. I don't know if I said that right. But for this, it is a little darker than like my actual color. So I like to use this under my foundation that I use to cover up my acne because I have dark marks. So I use this and I just do this and I pat it throughout on my cheek. I swear I just can't win with clear skin. I want clear skin, but clear skin don't want me, honey. Like, I don't know what to do. I feel like I've tried everything. The only thing I can think of next is to go to like a dermatologist because I feel like I've tried everything for my face and I just continuously have dark marks. And they light up. Like some of the dark marks go, but then I get new ones like out of nowhere. It's honestly annoying. So yeah, I just pat this on first. And see, the dark marks are pretty much gone. So next what I'm gonna do is take this Magic Collection foundation. This is $5 from the beauty supply store. I don't know if all of them have it, but my local beauty supply store has this. I love it so much. I own Fenty foundation and I prefer this over my Fenty foundation. Like this, when I say it's called Magic, but like literally it's magic. So I put some like this kind of all over my face. Okay, and then I move my hair back and just start like blending it. I am between styles right now and it's kind of blowing me because I just ordered a Nadula wig so that I can do a review for y'all and try it out because I like to try out different companies. But the wig is taking forever to get here and yeah. So I've been having to wear my natural hair and I don't really wear my natural hair. It's not that I hate it, it's just I can't with this. Y'all will never get a natural hair tutorial or none of that for me because I don't do no Bantu knots, I don't do no twist outs, I don't do nothing. Like water and eco gel, like that's what I do to my hair. And I wash my hair on wash day, and after I wash it, I put a little eco gel and I kind of go through it, and that's about it. And then for the rest of the days, I just add water and that's it. And that's how I do my hair. I used to wear a poof all the time, like, you know, when you take your hair back and it's like an afro poof. But like, I honestly have grown to hate my hair like being pulled. Like, I don't like my hair being like pulled back. So I don't really do that anymore. Next, I have horrible under eye bags. I take some Pro-Seal, like a yellow color, and I put it under my eyes. My under eye bags are so bad. I bought some eye cream and I just don't know. I also take this one. This is called Pro Concealer HD Foundation. This is also from the Beauty Supply. Honestly, a lot of this makeup, like all this makeup is Drugstore and Beauty Supply. I love Beauty Supply makeup. I will go run up a check in a Beauty Supply store. That's why I hate going to the Beauty Supply. Because they take all my money. Okay, so I add that on top of the yellow. I'm gonna take a different beauty blender and some water. I love this. I always keep a spray bottle of water in my makeup bag. After this step, I usually go in to do my eyeshadow. So for my natural looks, I usually do one of two things. I will do a pink and brown or a gold and brown. Today, I'm feeling gold, so we're gonna do a gold and brown combo. I'm using this Mora palette that I got from the Beauty Supply store. It has some really cute colors. We're gonna be using this gold right here. And I'm taking this brush. They don't have names, like I don't have time for that. But I spray this brush and I'm gonna be going in with this gold. And I just kind of like swipe it. I love this color because it's like super subtle. I feel like, especially on my skin tone, I feel like it's glam, but it's not like in your face. It's very subtle, like it's very like easy on the eyes. So next I'm gonna take my nudes palette. Like, do y'all see my nudes palette? Like, I use this, honey. Look at this. Yeah, so I take my nudes palette and I take this color right here, this like chocolate dark mocha color. I love it so much. And I take this brush, like look at my brushes. Don't even come for me. I haven't bought new brushes because I'm waiting until I do my vanity. And then once I do my vanity, I'm gonna re-up and throw away like a lot of old makeup and replace some makeup. So new brushes, new palettes, all of that once I get my vanity. So what I'm doing is taking that chocolate color and putting it on the outer lid. I think that's the correct term, but on the outside of the lid. And then I kind of blend it with the gold. And it creates like this. And it looks like this. Very subtle. So I go back in with the brush that I did the gold with, and I use that to just kind of like blend out the brown with the gold. Next, what I do is do my eyebrows. I know that I do my makeup backwards from how other people do their makeup. They usually do their brows and then their eyeshadow and then do their foundation. I don't do it that way. Whatever. You do it the way you want to do it. I do it the way that I want to do it, period. So next, I'm just taking this little e.l.f. brush here to brush out my eyebrows. I have horrible eyebrows, but I just make them go up. I just kind of lay them down like that. I really hate my eyebrows. Like, they don't even arch. My eyebrows, they don't do that. Like, they just like that. So next, I take this brush, and it's kind of like an angle brush, And this is what I use to do my eyebrows. I also use my nudes palette again, and I use this color. Like you could tell that it hit the pan. I use a mixture of this one and this one, and this is how I do my eyebrows. Now, of course, I've had brow pencils, dip brow, all of that stuff, but I don't know, like this has worked for me for years, so I just continue to do this. And I like how my eyebrows are, so. Because I have no arch, I do this to kind of just see. The front, I like to bring it down a little bit so it creates somewhat of an illusion of an arch because my eyebrows don't have an arch. Okay, so next what I do is kind of shape them up just so you can see, like you can see this one is way too long or too out. This, I don't know what you call this, but just this brush or any brush that is small enough, and I take the concealer that I use for under my eyes and I just dab it. I do that. And then what I like to do is go under my brow. The next thing I do is take my beauty blender and I kind of just go under and blend it out. Okay, once my eyebrows are done, I like to go ahead and put some blush on. I don't know why I do my makeup the order that I do it. I don't know. I take this right here. I got this from the beauty supply store, and sometimes I just mix these two together, or sometimes I'll just do this one. But today I'll mix them. And put some blush on. I don't highlight or contour my face. My friend tells me to do it all the time, but I don't know. I just never highlight and contour. Like, I don't do all that extra stuff. Like, if I was going to an event or something, then I would highlight and contour, but I'm not really going anywhere, so we're not gonna do all that today. Not today. But I usually don't, typically. After I put blush on, I like to go back to my eyes and do eyeliner. Believe it or not, y'all, but I still can't do a wing, like a perfect wing. I don't know how girls do that. Like some days I could do it and some days I'd be like, But to this day, like I never perfected the wing. Okay, so this is my wing. Not perfect, but one wing. Now we're gonna do the other one. It depends on what I'm doing. In order for me to use like translucent powder, I'm not gonna use it, I'm not gonna use it today just because we're doing a video in the house. If I were going outside or somewhere else, then I would put on translucent powder to get rid of like the shininess. But for this purpose, I'm not using translucent powder. Next, what we're gonna do is do lashes. And if I'm just taking pictures or making a video, I'm gonna use some older lashes. But if I'm going out to an event or going out to go do stuff, then I use a brand new pair of lashes. So with that being said, I wore these last night, so we're gonna use these lashes. And I recently just found this glue right here in my house, and I love this glue right now. I usually use Ardell, but this glue right here has been popping. Like, I love this glue. It's like a brush on white glue, but it like dries clear. This is the glue, and I usually lay them down upside down on like my eyeshadow palette or something. But while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna put highlighter on and do my lips. This is my favorite highlighter that I own. I have Fenty and stuff. Trophy Wife is my all-time favorite, but I feel like I don't wear Trophy Wife like a lot. But this is like my favorite like natural highlighter, and it comes with like 4 different shades. So we're gonna use this one right here. And the nose, yes, I love highlighter on my nose. Like, I love highlighter on my nose. I don't think I'm shining enough yet. You gotta shine on them, feel me? Gotta shine on the girls. I typically like to do my lips like the very last thing. Like, I don't know why, but my lips have to be the very last thing, because usually before I go out or before I'm doing something, I'll drink something, I'll eat something, and I always mess up my lipstick or lip gloss. So it's always the very last thing that I do. For my lips, I'm gonna be using a dark brown lip liner pencil. And I like to outline my lips because they look really white right now. Overextend, like that. Next, I take like a nude or like a pink nude lipstick, but this is the one I'm using today. It's a nude one. It's by Sugar Butter, and I got this for $1 at the beauty supply store. So what I do is take it and put it on the inside, just like that. Some days I use this high gloss from Forever 21, I think I got it from. And then some days I use my Fenty. Today I'll use my Fenty. This is the Hot Chocolate Fenty lip gloss. And I put this on top. I absolutely love this lip gloss. Like, browns and pinks are like my thing. Like, I love brown lips and I love pink lips. Like nude pink, not like hot pink or nothing like that. I like a nude pink lip. Next, I just apply my lashes. I use my hands. I don't really know how to do it with the tweezers. I just use my hands. Okay, lashes on. That is everything. Lastly, what I do, I spray water on my face as my setting spray. I've had setting spray, of course, but I had a really bad experience with like the very last one that I bought, and it like burned my face. Like, it was burning and I had to freaking wipe off all my makeup because my face was burning. So from now on, I just use water. I don't care, whatever. It works wonders for me. Like, my makeup be fine. So yeah, I use water. I just wanted to point that out because my friend thought that was so interesting. She was like, "You don't use setting spray?" And I was like, nah, no, not anymore, I don't. But yeah, I just do water and I do this, and that's it. And this wraps up my natural everyday makeup look. Real natural, real subtle, like really cute. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more. I'm still perfecting my makeup. I know I'm not the best at it, but we're going to keep going and progress. Any amount of progress, whether it's small or big, is still progress. So we're going to keep working on it, and hopefully, you know, a couple of months, years, so I could be really slaying my makeup. But yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn your post notification bell on so that you'll be notified the next time I drop a video, which will be soon. I love you guys. See you in my next video.